Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. This week it's all about those straight lines. How do you draw a straight line? Especially when you're out sketching and you've got this fabulous cityscape, you've got buildings, you've got perspective, and your lines are all over the place. Well, mainly that's because lines are drawn from your elbow and your shoulder, not your fingers. And also it's about repetition, not so much pressure. If you press really hard, you tend to wobble more. I also have an interesting little trick, which I can guarantee probably 90% of you will already have. Follow me. What we can do is use one of these. So an old store card, or in this case, it's a room key, which I accidentally picked up. And these are great. You can either use them as a ruler to get one nice straight edge, or you can use them to rest your hand against if you're wanting a nice edge there, but you don't want to use it as a ruler, you want more of a sketchy effect. They're also fabulous for shading up to. So if I'm wanting to get a nice dark shade on an edge of a building, for example, I will hold it again in place. This way, unlike tape, you're not going to lift off any pencil marks or charcoal marks, and you can get a really nice shaded effect with a lovely straight line. So you've seen the tip, and now I have a little challenge for you. Draw 5 boxes freehand using your elbow and your shoulder, and then take your store card or old discarded room key and draw against that and just tidy up one of those edges and practice to see how your straight edges are coming along. If you want more sketching tips, if you want weekly sketching prompts, pop over to the Smart Art Academy, subscribe here for more art tips. You know what to do. See you next week on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.